Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cloudinary, manage media assets and images step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type cloudinary.com and press enter. Once the Cloudinary homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your Cloudinary account credentials. Type in your account email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you wish to stay signed in, you can check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your details, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Cloudinary dashboard. From the dashboard, you can easily manage your media assets and images. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the various options available for managing your media assets. You are now ready to utilize Cloudinary for your media management needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.